Today is the very first day of iLight Singapore 2026 and we're here at Marina Bay right now. The festival just opened tonight, so this is your first look before the crowds figure out it's happening. 14 light installations, completely free to walk, running till June 28. The theme this year is movement, the idea that even the smallest action can send ripples further than you expect. Let's do a quick run through what's here so you know exactly what to come see. First up, this giant inflatable cube right outside Marina Bay Sands Event Plazas. Cube graphics by French artist Cyril Lansley. It looks completely still from a distance. Get close and it looks like it's moving. Step inside, it's a whole different world. Colored corridors, optical illusions, the same surface never looks identical twice. Further down at the Promontory, 5 silver poles coming out of the ground. That's Wave by Japanese artist Masamichi Shimada. Every tap sends ripples of light and sound across the whole space, like turning raindrops into music. And at Mist Walk, those glowing wildflowers are made entirely from recycled scrap metal and reclaimed carpet. Local artists built that from materials headed straight for landfill. Touch one, the whole field lights up. But the one installation people keep stopping at is down at the lower boardwalk, and it involves fishing for the sun, literally. Here are just some of the installations you can find at iLight Singapore 2026. Check out the rest of the video for the full walkthrough. If you're new here, this channel covers Singapore and Malaysia, places worth going, things worth seeing. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you're planning to visit iLight, drop a comment below. Which light installation interests you the most? Now sit back and enjoy the full walkthrough of iLight 2026.
で一番だから。
明开，谢谢你们一个掌声。两口跳一个曲风。
So that's another reason why she's like, yeah.
这里。
Yeah, the great.
Number one to have these. Number one, number two, and number three to have these.
Sorry, he's little, okay? If everything where I think so, you are making higher, just help the little, okay?
Keep dropping. Okay. Keep dropping. Friends, very special reward. The girl playing is and fly kiss to everyone. Spinning it. I need to speeding up. All right. Don't drop, don't drop. Everybody energy! Hey! 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 You done your dinner? Oh, sorry! Sorry! Ah! Children! Sorry, I forgot it's my show. Everybody children! You can bounce. You can bounce like this. Sampai jumpa, Pak. Okay! Sampai jumpa, Pak. Alright! Yeah! One more time, everyone! Higher! Two, one, shoot! Are you ready for the grand finale? Stay here! Finale, I call it something's never changed. If you are chasing your dream, I wish 2026 you can make your dreams come true. Alright. You want to see a trick? You want to see a trick? Control your love? Alright. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Spin and show. Spin and show. Spin, spin, spin and show. Spin. Ta-da! Alright. Adjusting, adjusting.
No, just Did you guys exercise?
That's a nice one.
It's the best of Aaron and Zora.
Yeah.
Ray. Ray.
아, 그냥 알고 들어갔다. 아, 복잡. 예.
Hay là bạn có xài cái gì? Biết sao bạn có xài cái gì?
Showtime in 2 minutes. 2 minutes is showtime. 2 minutes is showtime. Right here, right now. iLight Festival.
Exciting, right? I know it's windy, it's no standing, it's magic.